Question 3. Amber had 5 meters and 24 cm of ribbon. She used 28 cm to tie a bow and some to tie a present. In the end, she had 50 cm of ribbon left. What was the length of the ribbon that she used to tie the present? Before we start this question, it is useful to actually realize that one of the values, is actually expressed in both meters and centimeters. And that would be the amount of ribbon that Amber had at first. So in order to change this from meters and centimeters to just centimeters, we need to remember that 1 meter equals to 100 centimeters. So for the first part, let's convert 5 meters and 24 cm to centimeters. Given that 1 meter equals to 100 cm, 5 meters will then be 500 cm. And if we add 500 cm plus 24 cm, we should end up with 524 cm. So to solve this question, whereby the question is asking, how much was used for the present, we need to subtract from the total, how much was used for the bow, which is 28 cm, and also how much was left, which is 50 cm. So the first step would be to actually add these two up. We will have 28 cm plus 50 cm, which will give us 70 cm. So I will write it here for you guys, that this 78 cm is referring to how much was used for the bow plus how much was left. So of course now we can actually start solving for what the question is asking, whereby they are asking how much was used for the present. So we can just take the total, which is 524 cm, minus 78 cm, which we should end up with 446 cm. So as you can see here, by actually converting everything to centimeters, as we are working through the question, it makes it easier for us to reach the answer. We don't have to always work with meters and centimeters. We can work with centimeters throughout. Only when we reach the end of the question, when we have finally gotten the final answer, we can then convert it back to meters and centimeters, of course, when applicable. So in this case, we realize that for the value expressed in centimeters, there is a value in the hundreds place. So from the hundreds place, we have 400 cm, correct? 400 cm. So remembering that 1 meter equals to 100 cm, we can also say 100 cm equals to, 1 meter. And therefore, 400 cm will then naturally be 4 meters. So now we can convert 446 cm, into meters and centimeters, which would be 4 meters, and the remaining 46 centimeters. And that would be your answer for question 3.